clog-style slip-on, shown here in grade school sizing, is dipped entirely in Nike's iconic red hue, from its sculpted foam shell to its embedded swoosh branding on the sidewall. The design maintains its signature features: perforated ventilation ports, a contoured footbed, and a waved midsole pattern inspired by fluid movement. Nike is continuing to build momentum around its highly successful React X Rejuven8 with a bold new university red colorway that is anticipated to release this June, just in time for summer. Nike's full family sizing policy for major lifestyle products is expected to be followed by an adult version, even though only youth pairs have been previewed. The lightweight ReactX foam of the Rejuven8 maintains its position in the everyday wear market by providing comfort-first cushioning and a modern slip-on style. SRP is $60.